Welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to use group invitation link on Messenger. Let's start. At first you have to open the Messenger app and in here tap on the group that you want to work with. After that tap on here and then scroll down and try to find out invite link. Tap on here. As you guys can see, it is currently off. You just have to tap on here to turn it on, and then anyone can find out your invitation link and they can also join your group chat. Then you guys can send it in Messenger to invite the people that you want. For example, I'm gonna send invitation to this person, and then let's go back. After that you can also copy it to use it anywhere, and then you can also share it with your friends to any other app. Now tap on cancel, and this is how you can use your group invitation link on Messenger. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.